Hi everyone, and congratulations on the upcoming arrival of your baby. Welcome to our Niagara Parents video on packing your hospital bag. My name's Ashley and I'm a public health nurse with Niagara Region Public Health, and I'll be packing my hospital bag with you today. One of the most common questions we get from expecting parents is around what to bring with you to the hospital when you're in labor. Today we're going to review when to pack your bag, the most common items families pack in their bag, and who to pack your bag for. Let's get started. When's the best time to pack your hospital bag? No one wants to be packing a hospital bag at the last minute, or even worse, packing a hospital bag during labor. Most families start to think about packing their hospital bag around the start of the third trimester, just to be prepared in case baby decides to come a little early. The suggestions that we're offering you today are just suggestions. You can get creative with what you want to bring to help make your hospital experience a little more comfortable. Just like every family is different, every hospital bag might be a little different too. Some moms will pack a bag for themselves and/or their support persons and another bag for baby, or they'll pack a bag for everybody. It's important to keep in mind that you pack enough for the entire hospital stay. Labor and birth can last 24 hours or longer. If you require a cesarean birth, the hospital stay can be a few days or longer. The most common hospital bag items suggested for mom include a health card, pen and paper, loose-fitting clothing, including underwear, socks, nightgown, robe, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. Toiletries, including a toothbrush, hairbrush, lip balm. Just be mindful that most hospitals do have a scent-free policy, so leave your perfume at home. Large pads or adult diapers, light snacks. Keep in mind possible allergies, for example peanuts, for hospital staff and those you might be sharing a room with after delivery. A reusable water bottle and clear fluids. Phone numbers for friends and family. Camera, phone and charger. Light reading material. Favorite music. Some items you might include for your support person. PJs or comfortable clothing, toiletries, snack and drinks, medication, money for parking or vending machine or cafeteria if it's available, cell phone and charger, book and music. What to pack for baby? Diapers and wipes, making sure that you pack enough for your entire hospital stay. A thin blanket for summer, a warmer blanket for winter. Clothes and hat, again, enough for your hospital stay, and an approved car seat to bring baby home. By law, children must be buckled up in a child restraint appropriate for their weight and height and age while traveling by car. There are many different types of car seats to choose from, but make sure that it's appropriate for baby's height and weight. Ensure that your car seat was purchased in Canada so it meets Canadian motor vehicle safety standards, as car seats purchased in the United States don't meet these requirements. During the first year, a rear-facing car seat will support your baby's neck in a sudden stop or crash. By installing the car seat in the back of the car, rear-facing, it will allow your baby to be far from the front airbags in the event that there is a crash. Some important car seat safety tips include: keep rear-facing for as long as the height and weight limit of your car seat allows. Always place in the back seat, rear-facing. Ensure the base of the car seat is attached and is anchored properly to the vehicle seat. Pull anchoring belt tight so that the car seat moves no more than 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch forward or sideways. Harness straps must lay flat and snug so no excess strap can be pinched at the collarbone. Harness straps must be at or slightly below the shoulder. Move chest clip to armpit level. Place carrying handle in position recommended by manufacturer. Most car seat brands will have an online resource that usually includes a video of installation, if you're more of a visual learner. If you're looking for more information on car seats and car seat safety, check out these resources listed below, or contact us at Niagara Parents.